we're here today at the Canadian Innovation Exchange. For the benefit of our viewers, can you tell us a little about Ballard Power Systems?
Absolutely. Ballard has been a public company since the early 1990s. We're listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the symbol BLD. We are a Vancouver-based clean energy company. We're specifically been focused for a number of years now on hydrogen fuel cell design, development, and sales into a number of applications all around the globe.
Can you tell us about some of the innovations that Ballard has?
Probably the way to look at innovations in our company is in two ways. One is we have a very unique and innovative corporate strategy, and the strategy really involves organic growth through the deployment of products and services on two different platforms. One platform we call our Power Products platform, and the other we call our Technology Solutions platform. And we're really the only company, public fuel cell company that's involved in both those areas and is therefore able to offer a very robust set of alternatives to customers. And in addition to that, organic growth on those platforms, we're also looking at M&A opportunities to grow the business, to really scale the business. We announced in this quarter the first one of those opportunities under our new CEO, Randy McEwen. And that was for the acquisition of a company called Protonix Technologies out of Massachusetts. And Protonix brings some interesting opportunities to the table, including some unique products and also a tremendous amount of insight into the U.S. military market, which they've been selling into for a number of years.
So Ballard's been in the news recently with a $5 million strategic investment. Can you tell our viewers a little about that?
Yeah, just in the last several weeks we've announced a strategic investment from a company that's been a supplier to us for 20 years. It's a Japanese firm by the name of Nishimbo Holdings. Nishimbo has provided some of the core components for our fuel cell products, and of course we make hydrogen fuel cell products for use in a number of different applications. Nishimbo has invested $5 million, largely through the purchase of company's common stock. So we're very excited to have them show that kind of level of commitment and excitement about the fuel cell sector, and it reflects what's going on, frankly, in the Japanese market too, where fuel cells are becoming a very hot topic of conversation for a lot of different applications, including automotive.
Can you tell our viewers a little bit more about the collaborative agreement you recently signed with King Long in China?
Yes, it's actually the latest of a number of different commercial agreements that we've signed with companies, with partners in the China market for fuel cells for use in a couple of different application areas, one of which is the transit bus market, and another of which is actually the development of a product line extension product for the tram market, the urban tram market. And there's a lot of interest in China, particularly around trying to deal with the pollution issues in the major urban centers, and so looking for clean energy alternatives like clean buses and trams is a key to helping solve that problem. And we've been signing agreements with a number of companies, and one of which was actually a major agreement because it's the largest ever contract for fuel cell buses signed anywhere, for 300 buses in China.
Wow. So the market potential is pretty astronomical over there.
The market potential in China, as everybody knows, for lots of different products and services is very, very large. What we're seeing now is this significant commitment to clean energy fuel cells for urban transport, and we think it's going to be a very fast-growing market and a very exciting opportunity for us.
How can our viewers learn more about Ballard?
Our website, www.ballard.com, is a pretty good source actually of information on the different markets that we're selling products into, as well as what we're doing on the technology solution side of the business.
Well, thank you so much for your time today, Guy.
Thank you very much, Mark. Appreciate it.